When you're part of a military family, you understand sacrifice and support. So at American Public University, we honor your dedication by extending our military tuition savings to your extended family. Parents, spouses, legal partners, siblings, and dependents all qualify for APU's preferred military rate of just $250 per credit hour for undergraduate and master's level programs. American Public University. Value for the whole family. Learn more at apu.apus.edu/military.
This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. We try each day to teach and entertain some. We hope you enjoy this episode. 9 stories we're following today. First, the markets tanked yesterday as Fed Chairman Powell warned the Fed might not go as quickly on rate cuts as further thought. Of course, when the market takes down about 3% in the S&P, I am in no mood to look at the portfolio this morning. I had to barely wake up and look at it. It was not fun. Second, the Dow, it looks to break this today, is on its first 10-day losing streak in 50 years. Now, the Dow might be a lot less relevant than it used to be back in the day, but that long losing streak is something to at least think about in terms of greater America and what's going on outside of the NASDAQ and the S&P and the top 7 stocks. Third, Tempus AI, the oncology AI firm founded by Eric Lefkowski, dropped nearly 12% yesterday. After being on a huge run, it's now down 14% year to date. Fourth, there were a lot of stocks, of course, that dropped yesterday. I'll just go through a handful of them. Fourth, Peloton also dropped 11% yesterday. It does remain about 55% year to date, but you got to remember that's from after tanking the last year or two. Fifth, Coinbase also dropped more than 10% yesterday. And that's from record highs that Coinbase had been on a run. Bitcoin's around 100,000 today. It had a record high a couple of days ago. Sixth, Micron Technology missed on second quarter revenues by a good degree. It's down around 15% today. We'll see where it's at shortly. Seventh, an alarming headline from Bloomberg, basically saying there are plenty of firms that bought stuff for billions and now selling them for peanuts now. Eighth, on the flip side, Reuters reports the deal makers eye a big year in 2025, basically reports the biggest year in several years. Finally, ninth, U.S. stocks look towards a minor recovery today. So God bless that. We'll see how it goes. So far, it's up about a half a point or so. But remember, we lost 3 percentage points yesterday. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. We'll be back with you shortly with several other stories. Thank you very much for listening.
When you're part of a military family, you understand sacrifice and support. So at American Public University, we honor your dedication by extending our military tuition savings to your extended family. Parents, spouses, legal partners, siblings, and dependents all qualify for APU's preferred military rate of just $250 per credit hour for undergraduate and master's level programs. American Public University. Value for the whole family. Learn more at apu.apus.edu/military.